Microwave cooking made easy, space-saving. 1.2 cubic feet 1200 watts stainless steel countertop oven with 11 power levels, smart controls and LED, 3-level popcorn button, 13.4 inches turntable, easy clean interior, auto and manual controls. Inverter technology generates a seamless stream of microwave cooking power for evenly heated foods edges to center. Cavity dimensions: HXWXD, 9 and 15/16 x 13 and 15/16 by 14 and 3/8 inches. Smart cooking settings with Genius sensor automatically adjusts power and times to take the guesswork out of everyday cooking, includes 16 sensor cook settings, sensor reheat warms evenly to retain nutrients and texture in leftovers. Inverter Turbo Defrost for all your frozen foods. Turbo Defrost accelerates defrosting time to thaw more quickly and thoroughly for more flavorful foods. 3-level popcorn button. Popcorn lovers can choose the optimal popping temperature and time for different microwave bag capacities, 3.2, 2.7, or 1.5 ounce, for hot, sumptuous snacking. Top reviews from the United States. What a treat! This microwave replaced a top-of-the-line Sharp model that my mom and dad bought in the 90s. If you haven't had a new one in a while, either, you are probably going to be shocked at the improvement in the technology. Inverter technology, this one has it. Microwaves without inverter technology mimic the effect of lower power settings, like defrost, by alternating bursts of 100% power with zero power to approximate the results of lower power. Without inverter technology, your turntable circles the entire cycle, but your defrosting item is being cooked on full power a percentage of the time. With inverter technology, if you set a cycle that uses 50% power, your microwave is cooking at 50% the full cycle. This microwave also has sensor technology. That means that it samples the moisture and air temp inside the microwave to determine doneness. I haven't burned anything, and instead of guessing, checking, guessing, checking, I hit the start button and come back to a perfectly heated bowl of food.